Hi children, how are you all? Glad to meet you dear students. Dear students, today I will introduce a new chapter, that is addition. Here, addition is one of the basic operations of mathematics. Dear children, there are 4 basic operations of mathematics are there. First one is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Today our topic is what? Addition. Now, addition is adding 2 or more numbers, means to find their sum or total. Okay, the symbol used to addition is plus. Now dear students, before going to solve revision exercise, now I will give some points. Points to remember, put the heading. First one, write the number one below the other according to place of each digits. Second point, start adding digit in units, tens, hundred and thousand. Third one, wherever carry is necessary, carry the digit to the higher place. Next one, adding number is called addends. Then the answer of addition is called sum. Dear students, concept of addition. Addition is bringing 2 or more numbers or things together to make a new total. Addition means what? Bringing the 2 or more numbers or things together to make a new total. The number to be added together are called the addends. Whatever the number is going to add, that numbers we are calling as addends. See here. Here 8 plus 6, there are the 2 numbers. Here 8 is addend and 6 is also addend. And 8 plus 6 is equal to how much it is? 14. 14 is sum or total. Okay. Now exercise, revision exercise. First one, add the following numbers. Dear students, the first one is what? 4368 plus 2521. Okay, like this you should write. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 3 plus 5, 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. Next one. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3 is 10. Wherever carry is necessary, carry the digit to the higher place. 7 plus 3 is 10. Then you should put carry. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. Okay. First one 6889. Right here 6889. Second one is 7807. Is it clear, dear children? Next, third one. There are 3 numbers given. 3 set of 3 numbers. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 6 is how much? How much? 12. Okay, carry the 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Answer is what? 9022. The next one. 5 plus 6 is what? 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 6 is how much? 16. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay, now answer is what? 4365. Okay, this is the first main. Now, second main. Solve the following problems. Dear children, these are word problems. Okay, the first one is Sanmati deposited rupees 3672 on Monday and rupees 4678 on Tuesday in the bank. Find the total amount deposited by her. Dear students, Sanmati deposited amount on Monday is how much? 3672 and on Tuesday 4672. Then now we should find out the total amount deposited by her. Okay. Now answer. Write like this. Amount deposited on Monday. How much she deposited on Monday, dear students? Rupees. Write first rupees symbol. This is the symbol of rupee. How much is? 3672 rupees. Okay. Next. Amount deposited on Tuesday. How much, dear students? Rupees 4678. Then what we should find out? Find out the total amount deposited by her is equal to. Okay, now what we should do now? Total means we should add these numbers. 2 plus 8 is how much? 2 plus 8 is 10. Carry 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 7 is how much? 15. Carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 6 is how much? 13. Okay. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is how much, dear students? 8. Okay. Therefore, total amount deposited by her is how much? Rupees. Write the symbol rupees 8,350. This is your first problem. Then second problem. Second one. The population of village is 3,389. The population of another village is 4,893. Then find the total population of both the village. Total means we should add these two numbers. Right, children? Population of a village. Population of a village. How much they given? How much they given? 3,389. Next. Population of another village. Population of another village is how much they given? 4,893. Then therefore total population of both village. Therefore total population of both the village is equal to. Now we should find out the total population of both the village. 9 plus 3 is 12. Carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 9 is how much? 18. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. Carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is how much, dear students? 8. Therefore, total population of both the villages is how much, dear students? 8,282. Okay. Now this is your second problem. Now, dear students, last problem. Third one. The number of students of first standard in all the schools of a panchayat is 1673. First standard is how much? 1673. Second standard is 1845. Third standard is 1437. And fourth standard is 1547. Find the total number of students. Then we should find out the first standard, second standard, third standard and fourth standard total number of the students in the respective school. Now, write the answer. Write like this. Number of students in standard first. Number of, can you see? Students in standard first. How much is there, dear students? 1673. Right, 1673. Like this you write number of students in standard second. Number of students in standard third. Okay. Number of students standard 4. Students in standard 4. Now you write number of students in standard second is how much? 1845. 1845. Then third standard is 1437. Next fourth standard is 1547. Okay. Now the last statement is therefore total number of students in all the school of total number of students in all the school of panchayat okay. Now we should add these numbers. 3 plus 5, 8. Okay. Then 8 plus 7, how much? 15. 15 plus 7 is how much, dear students? 22. Carry 2. Okay. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yes. For you it is difficult, means this is the one of the easy way. See, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. Carry 2. Then 2 plus 1 is 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the answer is therefore the total number of students in all the school of panchayat is 6502. See dear children, only the 3 word problems are there in the revision exercise.